Another day,
another vlog.
yan family, kami ay mag-iigib ng tubig na we're going to take some water, fetch some water from the mountains.
Actually, first time after a long time because we decided to
don't take water anymore from the mountains. But then we decided again to take water
because to buy it's very expensive.
To buy it's very expensive. Yes.
It's not very expensive, but you know every time, especially in summer, we're drinking a lot of water. So every 2 days you need to buy it.
Yeah. The story is, guys, from since I came here, our water we take from the mountains. I don't know if you saw one of our vlogs na nag-iigib kami sa mountain, and then one time doesn't taste.
More than one time actually.
More than one time it smells so bad.
The last time it
not
was
so bad, but I mean it smells like
it smells like mold. Yeah.
Mold.
Like,
mold. Yeah.
It's normal because it's from the mountains. It can happen, but usually it's like one bottle out of 10 out of 15. Yeah. The last time it was like every bottle we took, maybe the first one was okay, and then all the others
are bad. Yeah. So we decided to stop it from.
Also because it was when I was pregnant, so we said better if I don't drink.
Safe, yeah. So since Nancy delivered already, we will try to take some water again from the mountain. Kaya yun, ngayon mag-iigib tayo. And
so it's an excuse to go to take some fresh air.
And fresh air. And also guys, maganda yung lugar na yan. It's nice, the place. Now we go to one lake where we always go, and then later mag-iigib tayo sa mountain kasi magkasunod lang yun, and we go from the other side, we go up like that. Not
I go fishing.
We go fishing,
swimming pool, no, in the mountain. So.
We go to the lake.
To the lake.
Lake.
Yes.
Pero non puoi nuotare,
Non puoi nuotare.
Swim.
Yes. You can fish pero non puoi nuotare. Yeah, it's quite late now, but it's okay. What can we do?
And because last night we went for a walk, I came back late.
Yeah.
It's cute. See, it's your breakfast.
Mangiare.
Mangiare. Sì, mamma. Che mangi? Mamma mia. Remember
To Russia.
The other night when he said, no, Daddy, no, because Daddy no.
Oh, dove siamo?
Dove sei?
Ah?
Andiamo? What's that?
Ha? Andiamo. Ito kami guys. Sa lake. Un braccio no.
Dai, tira giù un'ova. Non Daddy, tira giù un'ova.
Dici Nova? Dove sta Nova? L'abbiamo portato?
Dorme.
Sì, sta dormendo ancora.
Io non ho dormito.
Ma come no?
Come no?
Sì.
Hai dormito fino a mo'?
Dove siamo? Lago? Lake? We're in the lake.
Andiamo a vedere?
Di là sta il lake. Là. Andiamo. Let's go.
Go.
Alright. May mga parking pa. Wala pa masyadong tao.
The bento cake. The bento box.
Dove sta?
È in the car.
Aia. Dito kami ngayon sa lake at relax lang tayo dito. Oh, what do you want to say? What do you want to say? Sing na tong-tong.
Tong-tong pakitam.
Ay, sing boka.
Tong-tong pakitam.
Talimang, aday.
Tong-tong pakitam. Emano sa dagat. Masarap. Mahirap. Mauli. Sapagkat nanagat.
Okay. Bravo, Dylan. Ang galing-galing mag-sing ng tong-tong pakitog ni Dylan, no? Do you want to sing more?
ABCD.
Okay, now magkakanta daw siya ng ABCD.
Sige. ABCD, F, G, L, M, I, G.
Yan guys, so ganda dito. At as you can see, it's showing us, yes, I think I can control with the cell phone to turn. Yeah, we can turn this actually. Wait lang guys, ha. Yan, kita nyo, ang ganda dito sa lake. Noah? Okay, wait. Gusto daw ni Dylan kargahin si Noah. Noah?
Noah.
10-11.
There's a push and there's a pull.
No, tieni tutto.
There's a new moon and then it's full.
Che dici?
The tide will rise and rise until it falls.
Okay. So mag-relax muna kami dito. Yan, tapos tatawid kami sa bundok. Over the mountain, and then we take some water.
Because I have no idea how to get there, and he knows. I have no idea how to get there, and you know better than me.
Nancy saying, mas alam ko pang kalsada dito sa Italy than Nancy. Of course, I travel a lot. And I drive.
You have better memory.
No, actually, no. And dito sa Italy, medyo nakakalito ang kalsada, guys, kasi halos pare-pareho yung kalsada. No, pare-pareho yung sign. Alright. So, relax muna tayo.
There's a you and there's a me. There's a pattern in the chaos, a current in the sea, and there are times I wish I had a mountain top to see the rhythm of it all. What is new will be forgotten, and there's a use for the broken things you've lost. If you hold it loose, you'll find that there is room for.
Okay, guys, nandito na kami sa tuktok ng bundok. How many meters? 1,300 meters. Wow. Wow, well, casa. Chiesa Piccola. Maya-maya lang, ando na tayo sa igiba ng tubig. Ganda guys. Tignan mo mga ano dito. Yeah, see? There are ships. Very nice house. Pop. Sana dinala ko yung drone. It will be very nice. We're going even more higher, I think. Yeah. Now 1,400 meters. Usually we from down, but on the other side, pag nag-iigib kami, ngayon from up to go down kasi dumaan kami sa lake. So kailangan namin tumawid sa buong bundok Kailangan namin tumawid yan. Yan. Kita nyo naman. Ganda, di ba? Very nice place. Ganda, di ba?
I don't know what to say. What do you want me to say? Wow, track. Yes, we always stop.
Dito kami lagi umi-stop para maglakad-lakad.
We always, I think it's here or maybe a bit more forward, but anyway. And there's a CDJ Belvedere, so you stop here to see the look there. You see, there is where we always stop. And there's like a caravan of people. It's full of people. There's a lot of tourists, and most of them are Netherlands, from Germany.
Alam namin kung saan galing yung mga tao kasi nakasulat sa plate number yung bansa nila. Tulad nito, sakyan namin Italy, may letter I. Sa kanila Netherlands, NL, no? So alam namin kung saan galing yung sasakyan. Yan guys. Yan kung saan may mga tao na yan. Yan, nakikita nyo may mga tao dyan. I show you. Yan. Dyan kami palagi nagtatambay pag nag-iigib kami. So umakyat kami dito, tumatambay dyan. Maglalakad-lakad dyan sa paligid-ligid. Also there up.
That one is probably a restaurant because usually after you walk a lot now you go up.
That one there up.
Restaurant or anyway a house that is giving food, and usually it's like very strong food.
No, because
it's always closed because we
like this.
we never come here this time, and this time it's lunchtime. It's 12:30. It's very hot.
Yan guys, kita yun. May mga van. I think it's nice to have a van because you can stay overnight.
Honestly,
sure
it's one of my dreams to have
party. See, they have music.
To have a camper, it's one of my dreams.
And they stay there.
We were coming here also when I was a kid with the pilone, how you call it?
Kite. Okay, so punta na tayo sa Igiban. Family.
If anyone wants to come in our region, you will have the lake, you will have the mountains, you can have rivers and beach. There's everything.
You have everything in the Marche region. It's all in one.
Yeah.
Why I'm doing like this? I don't have the mic. Nancy has the mic.
I said anyway, you can have everything. All in one. All for one. All for one.
Alright, see you there.
Anyway, they're very strong, these people with the bicycle. I would never do it. I'm suffering just by not even driving. I'm next to the driver. And I'm suffering the heat. Ciao, Mustafa. Ciao.
Now we are... Okay. Yan, dito na kami sa aming Igiban. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, hindi pa nakakita nito, ayan. Na kami gigib. Very fresh. Fresh water. So, give muna tayo. Give muna tayo. Time lapse muna tayo. Alright. Alright. Yan. So, dito na kami sa bahay. Pasta, mabilis ang pasta. With tomato sauce and tomatoes and some
Tomato sauce that I did.
Yeah, tomato sauce that Nancy did. Yan, so sobrang init. Makatapos ko lang mag-discharge ng mga tubig, pero hindi ko pa nailagay sa storage. Andun pa sa garage. So, Pero questo? E dopo mangiamo prima. Va bene? Sì.
Mettiamo qui.
Ok, daddy fix. Va bene? Ok, remove your slippers, dai. Remove your slippers. Sandals. Fa male. Arriba daddy Kain na kami, guys. Pagod.